What's up, everyone? Alex Quinn here, and you're listening to Hustle Inspires Hustle. Our podcast is designed to cater to your business, marketing, and self-development needs with various episode formats. We feature full interviews with top industry figures, Q&A sessions, cover the latest news and current events in business and marketing, and in episodes like this one, we bring you exclusive conversations from the biggest events in art, business, and culture. So, if this episode brings you value, please subscribe and share it with a friend. It really helps us grow the show and deliver more great content straight to you. On this episode of Hustle Inspires Hustle, I had the privilege of interviewing internationally renowned artist Romero Britto during the red carpet premiere of his new documentary.
The highest licensed
The most licensed artist in history.
We've been learning about who?
Romero Britto!
That's right, the very famous Brazilian pop artist.
The film features an incredible lineup of globally celebrated figures, including Marc Anthony, DJ Khaled, Domenico Dolce, Stefano Gabbana, Lucas Vidal, and Gloria and Emilio Estefan, who all came together to celebrate Britto's vibrant legacy and inspiring journey.
I don't know if there's a celebrity out there who Romero has not done a portrait of.
His art represents happiness, joy, and love.
Did it his own way. Every time I saw some installation or I would just smile, man, and just go.
Britto, a global icon known for his optimistic and colorful artwork, shared his thoughts on his milestone event, his creative journey, and how he wants to be remembered.
Oh my God, how I want to be remembered. I wish that people remember me, that I'm the artist of happiness, that my art brought them happiness, hope, good feeling in their hearts, and joy.
Romero's art is instantly recognizable, and his brand is one of the most celebrated in the art world. So I asked him what he thinks this documentary will do for the continued growth of his brand. Here's what he shared.
The more people are connected, the more people know the importance of a healthy, mind. I think, people will give more attention to happiness and be surrounded by things that are very positive, and they can be very good for their hearts and soul.
Romero Britto's documentary premiere in South Beach was not just a celebration of his art, but also of the joy and optimism that he spread worldwide throughout his artwork. This exclusive screening, featuring appearances by some of the biggest names in entertainment and fashion, highlights the universal impact of Britto's vision and creativity. That's it, y'all. Thanks for tuning in to this special episode of Hustle Inspires Hustle. If you enjoyed today's conversation, subscribe and share this episode with someone who loves art, positivity, and stories of global success. Until next time, keep hustling and inspiring.
Hustle, inspire, hustle.